Welcome to another video. Let's jump right in. Let's review that circumference is going to be pi times diameter. And remember, pi is going to be 3.14 whenever you type that in your calculator. I'll be using a calculator, but whenever you're using a calculator, this is what pi looks like. This little shape right here. So for this first one, they give us 17.3, and they want us to find the diameter, which goes all the way across, which is going to be another 17.3. You can either do 17.3 plus 17.3 or 17.3 times 2, and you're going to get your diameter, which is going to be 34.6. Now we can plug that into our formula, which is going to be 3.14 times 34.6. When I multiply those, I'm going to get my answer, and that's going to be C, or circumference, equals 108.669. And don't forget to put your unit, which in that case it's feet squared. For the next one, I'm going to do the same thing. 16.1, I'm going to double it, or either 16.1 plus 16.1. I'm going to get my diameter, which is going to equal 32.2. Now I can easily plug in that diameter when I put in my pi, which is 3.14, and I'm multiplying it by the 32.2. When I multiply these two together, I'm going to be left with C equals, or circumference, equals 101.15. Don't forget, you still have to do number 5. Moving on to number 7. Number 7, they want us to find area. And we have a triangle here, which means we're doing A equals base times height divided by 2. The base is going to be 8, and the height of this triangle is going to be 6. When you multiply 8 and 6, you get 48. Don't forget to divide by 2. And I'm going to be left with A, or area, equals 24, and don't forget your unit, meters squared. Now this one wasn't assigned to you, but I thought I'd show you how to do it, just because you're definitely going to see something like this. We're finding area in its unshaded region, okay? Remember, you're always going to have to subtract when you're dealing with problems like this. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and mark the sides that we do know. If the bottom is 8, so is the top. If the side is 6, so is the other side. So we're going to do two separate problems here. We're going to do length times width for our rectangle. The length, we're going to have 6, and 8 is going to be the width, which is going to leave us with 48. The other shape in here is going to be this triangle right here. We're going to have A equals base times height divided by 2. The base is going to be 8 times 6, the height. I'm still going to get 48. Divide that by 2, I get 24. Now I have 24 and 48. What do? I subtract, which is going to be A equals 24 inches squared.